Hi, I'm Maria, Director at the Event School London. This is our From the Director's Desk update from February. I have had to write quite a few notes because there was so much going on. So we will start we welcomed new facilitators, who was Rita Conde-Lewis and David Vogel. Rita led on our masterclass in corporate event management, 2-day virtual course, and she has a background in global event operations and optimization with Accenture. She's worked across Dubai, London and Abu Dhabi with PwC, Flash Entertainment, Marcus Evans, Starwood Hotels and Resorts. So in terms of corporate events, she really knows her stuff. So welcome, Rita. She had a great start to the month. We also welcome David Vogel, who led on our masterclass in international event management. And as far as international events goes, he has worked across 5 continents, 40 countries, and speaks 6 languages. David's worked in esports with concerts, galas, extreme sports, product launches, etc. across those countries. So he was a really great expert to have in to lead with our international event students. We also had Siobhan Craven-Robbins is back with her certificate in wedding planning that ran Tuesday and Thursday morning. So thanks, Siobhan. Nicholas Oxborough was and is leading on our certificate in events and diploma in events courses. All of these courses are virtual at the moment. Our London courses kick off this month. We also had Sharifa, who is one of our facilitators now based over in Qatar. She's going to be working alongside FIFA over there. She's working over there for the last month, but she's still working for us doing some Friday, Saturday courses, and she took a micro credential in Venue Management 101, which was really well received. It's a real snapshot of the key things you need to know to sort of transfer into venues. Lots of guest speakers. 2 of note, we had Ken Hickson, who is a international sustainability expert based over in Singapore, and he spoke to our masterclass in sustainable events using a case study, which is the Marina Bay Light Show. He was very inspirational, really down to earth, and gave lots of great examples of how things actually apply in the event world, not just the theory. We also had a guest speaker from America with Ashley Abrams from All Seated, who did a great demo on the All Seated platform, which is event planning and a really terrific venue and floor planning design tool. So thank you to both of those. Other things that went on, Siobhan was interviewed by the BBC, Radio 4, where they had a section on weddings and the cost of weddings going up, and she was presenting the wedding industry perspective. The live events that we attended were, with a lot of events pushed back because of Omicron, people weren't sure what was happening January, February. So a lot of live events got pushed back to March, April. But we were very excited that some of our students and graduates were able to go to the motorcycle show over at Excel, pretty loud. A virtual event, we went to Brideluxe's Destination Wedding Show, run over 3 days in February. Also delighted to say we received our Bridelux Business Hub. Oh, that was tricky. Our Bridelux Business Hub membership came through for the Event School London. So a shout out to Bridelux. We're very excited to be a part of that. And our big industry event that we attended, Siobhan and I went to Unlocked, who have a host of venues around the UK and also overseas. We're doing a showcase of the Victorian Bathhouse, and they had a brilliant wine tasting event for event industry people. The wine tasting was led by David from Wild Boar Wines. It was fantastic, lovely wines, very entertaining. But the best thing was being able to mix and mingle with all the sort of premier event planners, venue managers from around London, and made a lot of new work friends that night. And we did drink a little as well. Things that we are looking forward to in March. I do have a note, but perhaps I'll have to go on without it. We have our new time slot for the diploma in wedding planning. We're trying an afternoon time slot for virtual, trying to look at the different markets that we have around the world and fit in with their time frames that they want. Here's that note. Nicholas is going to lead on our first course back in London this year, which is 7 to 11 March, a certificate in event management based over at Excel London. We've also got staff and students and graduates going to the big event industry events which are being held in March. So that's the International Confex and the Event Production Show. So we can't wait to get over there. There'll be a lot of suppliers, venues, organisers, associations, a really great show. I'd encourage anyone in the event industry who can get to London for those. International Confex, Event Production Show. And the other thing we've also got is site tours with London courses kicking back in. We're back on site tour, so we'll be heading to Wembley in March, also up to the Shard to see their event spaces, and over to the Victoria and Albert Museum, amongst probably quite a few more. Finishing off, we're still preparing for the big study tour with 120 students coming to us at the beginning of April. So planning for that and looking forward to welcoming them. Virtual courses, London courses, all happening again in March. Hope to see some of you on a course or at an event, and take care this month.